So for this little recipe that we're going to do for this smoothie is we're going to have our basil. We're going to put that in first, and we'll go our basil, our kiwi, our pineapple, and we'll top it up with some coconut cream and a pinch of salt. Salt is always good for flavor, as it is a flavor enhancer. Don't worry about using your hands. Your hands are your tools in the kitchen.
Pineapple?
Yeah, I like to use frozen pineapple because then it makes a nice cold smoothie.
Yeah, it's nice and cold.
And I've also frozen the kiwi.
Do you freeze it yourself?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, now. Yes. So.
I don't know, you're the one with the style channel, what do you think?
I love it. It's beautiful. I love the color. And of course your garnish.
Oh,
But
thank you.
I'm very excited to taste it.
Cheers.
Don't you want a pineapple?
I don't know if it helps.
This is good. That's good.
That's really nice. It's very like fresh. It's very fresh. And I think that's the basil, and it also has this really nice acidity from the pineapple and the kiwi, which I don't know if it's just me, but the little seeds from the kiwi add a nice little crunchy texture that I kind of like as well. So I think this is definitely a win. I know I'm going to be having this on a nice hot day because I think it's really refreshing.
I love it.